Hi my friends. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete all mails in Gmail at once. Or how to delete promotion messages in Gmail all at once. Promotional emails are emails sent by companies or organizations to consumers with the general goal of selling products. These types of emails are automatically filed in your Promotions tab to keep them separate from your primary inbox. You may get promotional emails from retailers after making a purchase on their website, or from a blog after signing up for their mailing list. So, to delete promotion message, log into your Gmail account. Click on the Promotions tab at the top, above your list of emails. Click the Select All box to the left of the Refresh button. This will select all promotional emails on the current page, 50 emails. To delete all emails in this category, also click Select All conversations in Promotions. Here you can see all messages are selected. Click on Delete button. Tap on OK. Good. And all messages are deleted. Now tap on More. Tap on Trash. Select all messages. Tap on Delete Forever. Good, now all messages are deleted. Thank you for watching. We meet in the next video. Have a nice time.